Hello friends, welcome to the tutorial video for making a breakout game, or a brick breaker game, in Scratch. In this video, we will make the paddle move left and right, according to the position of mouse pointer. Let's start by deleting the default cat sprite. Now let's click on the sprite icon, and search for the paddle. Now let's drag the paddle sprite near the bottom of the stage as shown in the video. Leave a little bit gap between the bottom edge and the paddle, where we are going to place a red line afterwards. Now let's go to the Events menu, and drag a When Green Flag Click block. Next go to the Motions menu, and drag the Go to XY block, and attach it to When Green Flag Click block. Now if the paddle is misplaced, it will always come back to its initial position when we click the green flag. Now let's go to the Sprite Selection menu, and select another sprite for the project. Let's search for the line sprite, and select it. Now drag the line sprite on the bottom of the stage as shown in the video. Next go to the Events menu, and drag the When Green Flag Click block. Now go to the Motions menu and drag the Go to XY block, and attach it with the When Green Flag Click block. Now if by mistake the red line is misplaced, if we click the green flag, it will be in its original position. Now let's click on the paddle sprite, and start making its left and right movement, according to the position of mouse pointer. Now let's go to the Control menu, and drag a forever loop, and attach it below the Go to XY block, as shown in the video. Next go to the Motions menu, and drag a Set X block inside the forever loop. Now let's go to the Sensing menu, and drag the Mouse X block inside the Set X block as shown in the video. This will set the X position of the paddle to the X position of the mouse pointer. This is the easiest way to move the paddle horizontally according to the mouse pointer. In our case we want to make the paddle movement more smooth. For that let's drag the Set X block back, as shown in the video. Now unattach Mouse X block as shown in the video, and delete the Set X block, as we don't need it. Now let's go to the Motions menu and drag the Change X by 10 block inside, as shown in the video. Next drag the X position block inside, as well. Now let's go to the Operators menu and drag the minus operator. Now let's place the Mouse X block in the left side of the operator, and drag the X position block inside the right side of the minus operator, as shown in the video. Next let's drag a multiplication operator. Now let's drag the whole minus operator inside the multiplication operator as shown in the video. Next drag the multiplication operator inside the Change X by 10 block as shown in the video, and inside the multiplication operator write the number 0.2 as shown in the video. Now drag the whole Change X by block inside the forever loop. Let's click on the green flag, and test the movement. The movement of the paddle has become smooth. Now let's go to Control block, and drag a Wait block inside the forever loop, to make the paddle movement even more smoother. Edit the 1 seconds to 0.02 seconds. Let's click the green flag, and look at the movement of the paddle. It's smooth. Thank you friends for watching the tutorial. See you in the next part. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Adios.